What's going on, guys? It's me, Linsay, with LindsayMoore.com. And in this video, I want to cover 3 things that you need to do in order to have more success with MyEcon. So if you're currently with MyEcon and you're struggling to get sales or get consistent sales, then you definitely want to make sure that you're watching this video. Make sure you take down some notes and you can actually apply this information immediately today, and you can start seeing results inside of your business this week, okay? So get your pen and paper ready, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Peace. Okay, so I'm going to cover the 3 things that you need to do in order to have more success and get more sales with MyEcon, right? So the first thing you need to do, you need to have a sales funnel, right? So like I just said right here, so most associates, when they join MyEcon, they will actually send people directly to their replicated MyEcon site. And if, guys, if you're looking at, wondering why I keep looking over here, my camera's right here, but my desktop is over here. So that's the reason why I'm doing that. But this is what most people will do. They will join MyEcon. They will send people all the way. They'll send people to this replicated site that every associate gets, and that's a huge no-no, right? Because if you send people to your site, you have no way to track or to contact these people or whatever else. That's just basically you just losing a lot of traffic, pretty much. So with a sales funnel, it takes people need to see things more than once before they take action. So if you're sending people directly to your replicated MyEcon site, again, you're losing a lot of, potential income, because most people do not take action the first time they see something. They need to see things at least 7 to 12 times before they take any type of action. Okay, so that could be to sign up, unsubscribe from your list, or don't join at all, whatever. They need to at least see your opportunity or your business or whatever 7 to 12 times before they take any type of action. Now with a sales funnel, and this is why you want to make sure that you have one, is that when people come to your sales funnel, you can actually continue to further build up that relationship through follow-ups with email marketing, pretty much, right? So that's how you're going to get those 7 to 12 touches that you need in order for somebody to take action with your business or join your business or whatever, right? So this is like the really basics of a sales funnel. Now, sales funnels can get extremely complicated or whatever, but this is like the real basic of it, okay? And it's an opt-in page that leads to a thank you page, okay? That is the basics of it, right? So this is kind of like an example. It's an ugly example, but this is kind of an example to kind of give you guys a visual of what I'm talking about, right? So this is a capture page that I have used for one of my like my little freebie offers that I like to give people, just like free value offers. And it says right here, it's a free download, and it's 6 ways to boost sales in the next 30 days. And if somebody comes here and they want this information, they'll click on the download now button, which is going to have like a pop-up that's going to come up. And it's going to ask them like, hey, if you want this information, give us your best email address. In exchange for your email address, I'm going to give you access to this this list of the 6 ways you can boost sales. Okay. So now that I have their email list, that's cool. And now it will take them to my MyEcon site, right? So somebody will come through this opt-in page. They will land on my MyEcon site after they have submitted their email address, and now they can start searching through the site to kind of see if this is something they want to do. Now, again, the first time they see something, they probably won't be interested, so they'll probably just click off, and that's fine. That's fine. But this is where the magic happens, pretty much, right? And this is what's basically this part right here is how you're going to do the follow-up. So when somebody submits their email address, all those email addresses that are being captured on that opt-in page are going to be housed in one location that's called an autoresponder. Now, inside of this autoresponder, again, it's going to house all of your emails, and within like a few minutes, you can actually create a simple email that can actually blast out to however many people are that's on your email list, okay? So for me, I have like several thousands of email addresses between like several different, autoresponders. And what I do in the morning or something like that, I can create a simple email. And with that email, I can actually, just within a few minutes, send a huge blast out to all those people who are on my email list. Now, that's what you want to do when people come to find out more information about MyEcon from you, right? Through those email follow-ups, you can continue to give them more value. You can share your personal results if you have received any. Also, leverage the results of your team. If your team is having results, share testimonials. You want to do things like that. So that way people can actually get more familiar with your company, see how it works, and see that people are also having success with it. And that over time can eventually generate you more sales for your business, okay? But you want to make sure that you do this consistently, okay? So you want to email your list, if not every day, then every other day or twice a week. Whatever schedule going to work out best for you, make sure you stick to it and you do it every week, right? And then some ideas of some autoresponders that you can use. Aweber, I think they have like a free trial for the first month. You have that. You also have GetResponse. They also have a free trial. You have SendLane. And there's so many different email autoresponders out there. I'll just give you guys just a couple of them. But you definitely want to make sure that you have a sales funnel in place. So the type of software or something like that that you would need to create a sales page, you will need something like Lead Pages, ClickFunnels. You have Power Lead System. Again, there's so many different lead capture page systems out there, and I'll put the information to the ones that I use below this video in the description. And both of them, I think all three of them come with a free trial, so you can definitely take advantage of those as well. Now, the second thing that you need to have in order to get more sales is traffic, right? And basically, you need to get as many eyeballs as possible onto your site. And this is where a lot of people fail, right? Because if you, they'll probably post something on social media, they may tell a friend or two about it, and they're probably getting like, maybe 5 to 10 people to look at their business every single day. Understand that this is a numbers game. You want as many eyeballs as possible onto your site as you can, okay? So the best ways you can start doing this is through YouTube videos like the one I'm doing right now. You can also use your Facebook profile. You can post in Facebook groups. They also have like automation software that can actually post inside of Facebook groups for you. They have that as well. Also, and I think I have access to one, so I'll put a link below that as well to help you guys out if you want to go that route. Also, Instagram videos. Instagram videos. I think you can upload up to like 1 hour videos on Instagram now. Instagram stories, Snapchat. You can also do paid advertising like Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and you can also do solo ads. Okay, if you do like a combination of a few of these things, and just with the sole goal of sending as much traffic or as many eyeballs as possible to your site, is going to increase the chances of you getting more signups inside of your business. So you want to make sure that you're generating traffic every single day for your business. Now, the third thing, okay, is exposure, right? So if people don't know that you exist, they can't join you. You can't expect them to join you in business, right? They have to know that you exist. They have to know that you are in business, right? So again, you can do this through YouTube videos, Facebook live streams, webinars, Instagram, Snapchat, and just increasing your posting on social media altogether, right? So if you're one of those people who only post like maybe once or twice per week, you definitely want to make sure that you're upping that and you're doing like 3 to 4 times per day, or sometimes even more, right? Don't get outrageous with it or whatever else, but you definitely want to increase your visibility on social media, right? And then also, when you're creating all this type of content, you can talk about your business, right? You can talk about MyEcon and, the services that they provide, but you can also, you want to switch things up and you want to tell people about your story. People want to know more about you, and that way you can actually build up that relationship, that rapport that's going to make that connection feel a little bit more, not the connection, to actually make more of a connection in order to generate a sale, right? Also provide value. So if you just watch a YouTube video and you learn something, or you watch this video and you learn something, then why not, just share it with the other people that you're connected with. Like, hey guys, I was just on YouTube and I found this amazing video on like 3 ways that I can increase my sales or whatever else, and I just want to share those things with you. That's a great way for you to provide value. Also, you can teach something. You can do Q&A sessions, or you can just simply connect with your audience. Turn on Facebook Live and just say, hey guys, I just want to, connect with you. Where you guys from? Or do any of that type of stuff, right? All that little stuff is actually helping you to build a relationship with the potential people that may join your business, okay? That's why you want to do that. You want to make sure that you're getting exposure. So doing those 3 things will help you to get more sales with your MyEcon business, guys, okay? So make sure you have a sales funnel in place. Make sure you are generating traffic every single day, and make sure that you are putting out content, that you're putting your face out there, and you're getting more exposure to you and your brand. All those 3 things will help you to get more sales with the MyEcon, okay? So if you want more information about MyEcon and a full overview, I want you to go visit my blog, and it's lindsaymoore.com/MyEcon. And over there as well, I have a detailed list of my exclusive team bonuses. So anybody who wants to watch this video and you want to partner with me inside of MyEcon, I'm giving you guys, some exclusive team bonuses, and you can find out on that site, on my blog, and I'll actually put that link below this video as well. So you can go to lindsaymoore.com/MyEcon. And if you have any questions about this video, comment below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also hit that notification bell so you can get more updates when I do videos like this on YouTube. Until the next video, guys. Peace.